everyone, this is me Jeetshri and welcome to my channel. Today I have decided to do a beginner series for those who wanted to do their everyday makeup at home by themselves. And to achieve this there are 5 golden rules, and to see what these 5 golden rules are, keep on watching and let's get started to the video. The rule number 1 is assess your skin type. Before going to makeup, first and for the foremost thing you should know is to know your skin type. There are 4 different types of skin types, and those are oily skin that tends to produce more oil and which is very much prone to acne, and then dry skin, and that it requires more moisturizer, and it gets very dry very quickly and it peeled off, and sebum level present in the dry skin is very low, and the sebum is nothing but the oil production glands. Then the combinational skin, it feels sometimes very oily during summers, and very dry during winters. This is nothing but the combinational skin. And the normal skin, which is normal throughout the year whatever the season may be, and it is said that those who have the normal skin, they are very much blessed, as the normal skin doesn't require much of the care. Now by saying this, the second rule is skincare routine. And for skincare routine there are 5 steps for the skincare routine. First one is scrubber. You must scrub your face so that your dead skin and blackhead, whitehead get removed. Then deep cleansing. You must clean your face with the cleansing or deep cleansing available in the market, or else you can deep clean it with milk and curd available in the kitchen. And next one is mask. You must apply mask on your face. It is important because it gets penetrated deep into inside the skin, and it provides the benefit from the within. And there are many masks available in the market according to your skin type and the problem you are facing with you in your daily basis. Next one would be moisturizers. Now moisturizer is very important for all the skin types, whatever your skin type may be and whatever the season is. You must apply moisturizers every day. And yeah, one more thing I forgot, and that is the toner. Toners are important because toners tightens the skin and also minimizes the pore size. And yeah, so do apply toners. And then last but not the least is the eye cream. And eye cream is used for dark circles, under eye circles, and for the puffiness. Now here comes the rule number 3, and that is grooming your eyebrows. Now eyebrows are the very important feature of our face, and it frames the face properly. So make sure you regularly groom your eyebrows, so your face looks very framed. And yeah, there are 4 types of 4 techniques you can groom your eyebrows with, and those are: first tweezer. With the help of the tweezers you can tweeze the small hair. Then threading, everyone knows. Then waxing. Nowadays waxings are also available for eyebrows. And shaving, with small shavers you can shave the eyebrows. The 4th rule is the makeup. Now to achieve the basic makeup, you need to understand, or you need to focus on basic makeup products, and those are: first one is primer. After moisturizer you need to prime your face. Second one is foundation for the base, and third one would be the concealers or the highlighters to highlight the features of your face. Then brow fillers to fill in the brows so that your brows look neat and clean. And mascara to highlight the eyes. then bronzers to give dimension to your face, and last but not the least would be the lip gloss. As you know, no makeup is complete without lipstick or lip gloss. If you have oily skin, then the setting powder, loose powder, you need to apply after foundation to set the foundation in place. And if you have very dry skin, you can use the setting spray. So yeah, that one is also very important. And fifth rule is and that is the very important one, that is, remove your makeup before going to bed every time. You need to remove your makeup so that your skin doesn't get blocked and doesn't get prone to blemishes, acne, scars, and all of that kind of stuffs. So yeah, please do take care of your skin at night. And so these were the 5 golden rules for basic makeup. And the tools required to do the basic makeup we will see in the next video. So yeah, if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button so that you get the notification of the new videos. And if you have any questions, then please feel free to comment in the comment section below. And see you till next time. Bye bye.